Who are they na the bar? Money man don't call na the bar. Hey, who are they na the bar? Diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Who are they na the bar?
What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake Up My Canal. So today I'm going to the movie theater with the kids. We're going to watch this kids movie, and I just want to come here and do a quick get ready with me. We are in lockdown, so the movie theaters, they are open till 5 o'clock in the evening, and then everything is shut down. So I want to go to the movie with the kids, but the movie starts at 12. So I just want to come and do a quick get ready with me. I'm using the NYX primer, so I'm just going to use my brush and just blend everything into my skin. I'm going for like a simple natural eye look. I'm not going to do any eyeshadow today. The kids are already ready. I've already made sure they shower, put on their, not actually the actual clothes that we are going to the movie with, but I make sure they put something on. So when I'm done with my makeup and we're about to leave, that is when the kids will put on their actual clothes because they were having breakfast. I blow the breeze into my eyes because they were having breakfast, and I didn't want the kids to mess up their actual clothes. So yeah, they're really excited. I'm excited. And yeah, this is my NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator in pure gold. You guys already know how much I love this liquid illuminator. I didn't glue my wig all the way because when I'm back home, I'm going to remove it. I'm going to take the Milani's Cream Queen foundation. I'm almost out of this foundation, so I'm just gonna take what I have because I can't pump. It doesn't pump out anymore, but I still have something in there, but it just can't come out when you pump it. Focus around my mouth. Blend, 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 blend. I'm looking at the time because I have to go and take the train. So I'm looking at the time. I'm lucky that the movie hall is not far away from the train station. As soon as you come down the station, you just like few minutes, maybe 3 to 4 minute walk. If you walk faster, it's less than 2 minutes for the station. So the movie hall is close by the station because there's nothing to do actually. If you want to go like far distance, maybe you go to the museum, to the animal park. The distance is so far and everything closed at 5 o'clock, and yeah, so I thought movie is much more better to do. So we're going to have girls time, mommy and daughters girls time. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This is in Warm Honey. Yeah, that's the only shade I do have. Sometimes I squint my eyes when I'm about to like watch because normally I can't really see all of these things very good. I need glasses on. Sometimes I can't do makeup with glasses. The concealer is almost finished. These days, I'm really trying to like finish my product before buying something new. I'm going to take my sponge, Real Technique sponge, just spray it a little bit, and then let's use that to blend. Blend, 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 blend. I wake up really early, but you know when is to get those kids ready, take shower. Like my kids are like very weird. Not weird in the sense that when you're taking shower, you can't wash their face. Like the water should not touch their face. And every time I'm letting the kids take shower, I'm washing the kids, it's a struggle because they will end up crying because I'm like, how the hell can you take a shower without soaking your face, without getting water on your face? How? Which planet do you guys come from that you want to take shower but you don't want the water on your face? Like, if your kids are like that, please let me know in the comment box, because I'm like, at least my kids only they are like this. But I don't think so. I don't think my kids are the only one who has this thing. Especially the little one. The older one, she's getting better because she understands that now you have to wash your face. You can't take shower and just don't put water on your face. It's a struggle. But that little girl, up to this day, I still struggle with that girl taking shower and putting water on her face. Every time we take shower, it's a struggle. It's a big struggle. And yeah, it's like every morning when it's time to take shower, it's a fight. So when I know, okay, sometimes I let them take shower in the night so that I don't have to go through all the stress. But sometimes I also let them take shower in the morning because it just makes you feel good. You just feel you have this energy. You just feel good. You feel awake. But sometimes when I'm like, I'm not really in the mood for all the crying and the whining, I just let them take shower in the night just before bed. Sometimes it makes life even more easier for me. But sometimes I'm like, I just wish we could just get into the shower 5 minutes, take shower and get out. But sometimes shower can last 20 to 30 minutes because someone doesn't want to wash her face and that person will be crying and it's frustrating, you know. So today I wake up early, but yeah, that was the struggle. And just imagine both of them have to take shower separately. So I spend 1 hour just letting the kids take shower because nobody wants to put water on their face. So it was a struggle. So I'm going to take this concealer, this foundation. It's actually a foundation stick. You know, so I spent like 1 hour trying to make sure them kids take shower in the morning. 30 minutes on each child. It was a headache. It was a total headache. Now they take shower. My younger daughter, she was like, yeah, ik voel me goed. She was like, I feel good in Dutch. Ik voel me goed. And I was like, voel je goed? I was like, do you feel good? She was like, yeah, ik voel me lekker. I feel really nice. And I'm like, yeah, because you take shower. You feel good when you take shower in the morning. And she was like, yeah, ik voel me echt lekker, mama. Ik voel me goed. And I'm like, yeah. And I'm not feeling good. Because you make me go through all the struggles. Actually, I'm supposed to do the contour before ever I go in with the powder. But you know what? It is what it is. Sometimes I just lost track. Now let's wipe everything. I'm going to take this setting powder. I'm also gonna use this to set my eyes. Let's use bronzer. Let's use the Morphe bronzer to bronze. I'm so like trying to just a little bit bronzer because the foundation that I use to contour is already very dark. It is already very, very dark. And I'm just the spray that I use to put my you know what? I really don't have time for this. Sometimes when you put spray on your baby hair and it just mess things up. So now it's time to do the lip. I'm going to be taking my Essence lip gloss and my mini Kiko lip liner. Let's line the lip. So now it's time to highlight. I'm going to be taking the Diamond Bomb highlighter. Gonna take a little bit on my brow bone. And the inner corner of my eyes, just a little bit. The bridge of my nose. I want to add a little bit of blush, just for a little bit of color, because I'm going to be using this palette. Yes, use their blush. Yes, use this color. Just a little bit. Ooh. Okay. A little bit go a long way. So now it's time to set. I'm going to be using Makeup Revelation Setting Spray. I don't know my eyes. So Team Fullest, this is the finished result. It's a very simple get ready with me. If you guys want to see outfits, follow me on my Instagram or my Facebook like page. The links is in the description box. I'll try and list the product that I use, but you guys already know the product I use. A very simple, this like a really simple, I just want to go out and have fun with the girls. So I'm ready, and yeah, I'm going to be using one of those bags I picked up from TK Maxx. So for full outfits, follow me on Instagram and you can see all the outfits that I wear. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en understeuning. Heb je vraag? Laat mij weten in de commentbox. Alle informatie die je nodig hebt staat in de beschrijvingsbox. Ik zal alle producten die ik heb gebruikt ook in de beschrijvingsbox. Of als je hebt vraag die je denkt van is een privévraag en je wil niet onder in de commentbox, je kan ook mij een WhatsApp bericht sturen. Mijn telefoonnummer staat in de beschrijvingsbox. Same for less. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Bye.